Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ledger in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and label your columns. You'll need headings like date, description, debit, credit, and balance. This structure helps track all financial transactions efficiently. Ensure your initial balance is correctly entered to begin your record keeping. We'll then move on to inputting transactions and calculating running totals. Now, let's input your transactions. For each entry, record the date and a clear description. Amounts paid out go into the debit column, and amounts received go into credit. The key is the running balance formula, previous balance plus credit debit. Drag this formula down your column to automatically update with each new entry. This ensures your ledger always reflects your current financial standing. To make your ledger even more powerful, consider adding advanced features. Use Excel's filter function to quickly sort transactions by date, type, or amount. For deeper insights, create a pivot table to summarize your debits and credits, revealing spending patterns or income sources. You can also protect your worksheet to prevent accidental changes, ensuring data integrity. These steps elevate your basic ledger into a robust financial tool. Maintaining an accurate ledger is crucial. Always back up your Excel file regularly to a cloud service or external drive to prevent any data loss. Make it a habit to review your entries weekly or monthly, cross-referencing with bank statements to catch errors early. This diligence ensures your financial records are always precise. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.